Hi there, boys and girls. Welcome to another vocabulary lesson as we step higher up our literacy ladder. I'm your teacher, Ms. Shamshuddin. I do hope that you have been doing some sort of work to practice and to help you remember the things we would have done so far. For our lesson today, we will be exploring writing and placing words in alphabetical order. But before we go further, I'll ask you, if you do have an alphabet chart or a book with what your alphabet looks like, you could bring it and have it with you during this lesson. Now remember, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, and they are used to form words. When we do alphabetical order, we are placing words based on how their letters appear in the alphabet. So, we must know which letter comes first, which letter comes after, which letter comes between two letters. For example, we have A. Now ask yourself, which letter comes after A? If we look back at our alphabet chart, you're right. B comes after A. And then we can ask ourselves, which letter comes before G? Take a look again at your alphabet chart, or you could sing your little song, and you'll see that F comes before G. Now here's one, not so tricky, but be careful. Which letter comes between M and O? Take a look again. And there it is. N comes between M and O. So you see, alphabetical order can be easy once you can remember the order in which your letters come in the alphabet. Now words can be arranged based on the first letter in the word, the second, third, fourth, fifth, even sixth, seventh, or eighth. When we are looking at first letter arrangements, we look at the first letter in each word. Based on which letter comes before the other, we then arrange. Take a look at these words: cashew, avocado, garden, orange. I'll call them again: cashew, avocado, garden, and orange. Now you have your chart. And based on the order of the letters in the alphabet, which word would you say come first? Yes, avocado. A is the first letter in the alphabet. And because we're looking at first letter arrangement, and if you look at those words, each of them starts with a different letter. And so avocado is the first word in that list of words. Now the second letter in our alphabet is B. But do we have any words in the list with B? No, we don't. So we keep going on and we look for the next letter that would appear in the list, and we ensure it's in the order of the alphabet. After B, we have C. Do we have any word in this list with the letter C? Yes, we do. We have the word cashew. Cashew begins with C. So cashew is our second word. As we go along, we have the word garden. And finally, we have the word orange. And so, when we place our words according to the first letter arrangement, or in alphabetical order based on the first letter, our list should look like this: avocado, cashew, garden, and orange. I hope you are following. Now, there are some cases when we have a list of words and they all begin with the same first letter. Do you know what we should do? Let's take a look. I have a list of words here and they all begin with the letter D. We have duck, damp, dent, dragon, and dove. I'll call those words again. We have duck, damp, dent, dragon, dove. Now in this case, because they all begin with the same first letter, or they have the same beginning letter, we look at the second letter in each word. So you see, if we're to use the second letter in each of these words, the letters we would use are U, A, E, R, and O. Each of those letters appear in the second place of each of the words. Now again, based on how the letters appear in the alphabet, and I hope you still have your chart, this is the order in which they should come. We have damp, dent, dove, dragon, duck. Damp, dent, dove, dragon, and duck. Did you get them correct? I hope you did. Let's try arranging these below. The words we have are black, barber, brown, boots, butter. Black, barber, brown, boots, butter. Again, here we can see that all the letters begin with the letter B. So we have to focus on the second letter in each word. Let's highlight those second letters. We have L, A, R, O, and U. Remember, make reference to your alphabet chart or sing your song. Now, which is the first letter in the alphabet out of this set? Yes, barber should come first because A is the first letter in the alphabet. We then have black, which is spelled with L. We have boots, then brown, and finally butter. Let's look at the arrangement of these words again. Barber, black, boots, brown, and butter. Now that was fun, don't you agree? I hope that you followed the steps and that you learned how to arrange words in alphabetical order based on the second letter arrangement. Remember that when we are dealing with words that are all spelled or begin with a different letter, we say that is the first letter arrangement. Where we have words which are spelled all with the same beginning letter, we then try to use the second letter to see how we can place them in alphabetical order. Now that's our lesson for today. You can find some other words and try to arrange them in alphabetical order, whether it be first or second arrangement. Or if you want to challenge yourself, you can try to do the third letter arrangement. Remember, you can use your alphabet chart or sing that alphabet song to help you. So boys and girls, that's all for now, and see you next time on the literacy ladder.